Who's ready for some Fiji time? Look at that gorgeous view, palm trees, blue water, sunny skies. It's Baron Bruno from Professionals FIJI Real Estate, and we are in Korotogo right now. This is near the town of Sigatoka on the coral coast of Fiji's main island of Viti Levu. And today I have two freehold blocks of land, and that's your view right there. This is centrally located because just down there below is the turnoff or the roundabout. Sitar Restaurant is just to the right, and then you have to the left Crow's Nest and a number of other small boutique resorts. This is an awesome place. I can't even explain how perfect this location is. You can literally walk right across the street and they're gonna have a wine shop for you. They have a phenomenal restaurant right now and heaps of activities right here. You can literally take from this property, grab a kayak, grab a stand-up paddleboard, grab some snorkeling gear and go right in front of us. You're gonna wanna go to professionalsfiji.com. Call me at +679 999 2051 to find out more about this property. We have two properties. They're both freehold title. They're both around 900 square meters. So each of them are just about a quarter acre. And we're on this hillside here. And you can see as you go down, just across from us right there is the apartments. Those are the Korotogo Seaside Hotel Villas right there. So this is probably about an hour and 15 minutes from the Nandi International Airport and about an hour and a half or an hour and 45 minutes to Suva, which is the capital city of Fiji. That's where all the government offices, the NGOs, etc. are. And you can see the trucks and the cars passing by here. So if you're looking for exposure, whether you want to do a Airbnb with it, which this owner has been doing, so he's actually lived here and inherited this property through his family. It's just an incredible location, but you know, everybody's moving on here, and this is an opportunity for somebody else to come in here and either make this their full or part-time homestead, or if you wanted to do short-term or long-term rentals, this place is a plus location for Airbnb and cash flowing opportunities. So find out more. We can get you the full details, the pricing, and the parameters of the property itself and exactly where it's located. But as you can see here, just beautiful views right here in Fiji. Again, Baron Bruno, Professionals FIJI Real Estate, +679 999 2051. You can see the sun's getting close to setting here soon, so we're gonna leave you with this beautiful views. Those palm trees are just waiting here for you, and you can see out there that white water. There's just some amazing snorkeling. I snorkel literally right where I'm filming and had so much fun checking out all kinds of sea life. And that outer breakwater there is some incredible surfing that Fiji's famous for as well. All right, we hope you're enjoying the day. You're scratching your head thinking now's the time to make that dream a reality and build my dream home on a tropical paradise island. Well, you can do it right here, and we look forward to finding out more about how we can help make your dreams a reality. Have a fabulous day, and as we say here, mode, which is goodbye, sotatale, see you later, or singa nalenga, which means no worry, no hurry, because we're on Fiji time. All right, have a great one. We'll see you soon. Cheers.